Now, another thing that you may have heard of is steganography, which is hiding a message within some type of media. This isn't actually encryption. It's just hiding that a message actually exists. So you have some type of media, and you put the bits of your message in the media, and you send it over to the destination. Now, anybody who wants your message will have to know that it's in that media and have to have the tools to be able to extract the bits out of there. And what we usually use as media to do this transferring of information is graphics. We usually use graphics, pictures, because those graphics have so many bits. There's so much information to make a graphic that you can actually put in some bits here and there, and it doesn't distort the message or distort the picture to a way that anybody can tell. So that's a common way of moving information. Is I put a message in a picture of my dog, I send you over the picture of my dog. You know that there's actually a secret message in there, even though my dog's really cute and I'm sure you'd like to see him. So you have the tool to extract the message and put it together, and now you have it. And there's a lot of tools out there for steganography. There's some free tools, and then there's shareware tools, and then there's more high-end tools. And it's very simplistic. You provide the media, usually it's a graphic, you type out what your message is, and there's different types of configuration that you can do, but it's pretty simplistic because the tool does all of the magic in the background.